happening, Montreal? Bonsoir. Comment ça va? Je m'appelle Gina. J'ai 13 ans. Yeah. That's how old I was when I learned French. So I'm from England, but I've been living in America the last few years, been living in the States. I like it, it's all right. You know, I've learned a lot of things since I moved to the States. What have I learned? They're very ill people. They're very sick, judging by the number of commercials for pharmaceutical products. I've never seen so many commercials for drugs in my life. I think all those illnesses, I think these pharmaceutical companies, they're making up illnesses. Half of them don't exist. What the hell is restless leg syndrome? There was no restless leg syndrome hundreds of years ago. Nobody on 12 Years a Slave had restless leg syndrome. I did not see that scene. I am a free man, and I will... Oh, shit, not now, not now. Oh, yeah. You trying to escape, boy? No, it's the restless... I'm a good slave, I'm a good slave. They're making up illnesses. You see those commercials that come on in the middle of the night trying to convince you that you're sick? Do you find that your eyes close at night? Then you need oxymoxy, lixy, loxy, lixitrin. Side effects may include headaches, dizziness, nausea, diarrhea, menstruation in men, and death. Now, I'm not saying that all illnesses are made up. Obviously not. Some illnesses do exist. Like, I was recently diagnosed with sleep apnea. Yeah, that's a fat disease. It is. It's a fat disease. Now, I'm not going to have a go at fat people. I used to be a fat girl. I lost weight. But they don't tell you lose the weight, you still get fat diseases. I feel cheated. Obviously, I'm still fat on the inside. For those of you that don't know what sleep apnea is, what it is, basically, you're sleeping, and while you're asleep, your neck is collapsing in on itself. And it's closing your passages, and so you're getting... Your neck is trying to suffocate you while you're asleep. That's basically what's happening. So you're suffocating, you keep waking up, You never get a full night's sleep because you're suffocating and you're always tired. And if you leave it untreated, it can lead to diabetes, heart attacks, strokes, and death. But the worst symptom is the snoring. As a woman, that's the worst symptom. That's not sexy, people. Guys can get away with snoring. Women can't. I didn't even know I snored, right? I found out on vacation. Because, like, as a woman, I thought I slept cute. Right? Every woman in here thinks that they look cute when they're sleeping. Not all of us do. I found out on vacation with my friends when one of the bitches filmed me. And it wasn't sexy. I was like that. And then I stopped breathing. It's not sexy. All my friends look gorgeous when they're sleeping. They're all like that. Night, Gina, night. They all look like they're having their labias tickled with a feather. What else have I learned since I moved to the States? They got the best kidnappers in the world, I've heard. That dude that kept those women in a basement for 10 years in their own neighborhood. You know the guy I'm talking about, right? The guy in Cleveland. I mean, I've been to Cleveland. To be honest, I would have preferred the basement. Cleveland sucks. Right? But there was an interview with one of the women that got out, and she was talking about how from the basement she could hear when her family were barbecuing, right? And the interviewer was like, oh my God, that's just horrible. And I'm like, Mr. Interviewer, you've missed the point here. This woman was missing, and her family were barbecuing. Now, I'm not from America, so I do not know their missing family member etiquette. How long is it before you start barbecuing again? It's a difficult question, boys and girls. It's like, Amanda is missing. We love her and we want her home. But these ribs ain't gonna cook themselves. Thank you very much. Good night. Thank you.